Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I just want to share a quick update on how my Robinhood portfolio is. So if you guys are interested in that, I will also be sharing some trade ideas with you. So stick around. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also just started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock markets. We already have 50 members in the Discord, and we would love for you to come join us, learn new strategies, and try to find the next hottest stock. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. So if you guys are interested, check out my link down below. So my account today is down 0.27%, and I know why, and it's because of BlackBerry. They had their earnings yesterday, and it wasn't good. So we'll get to that. And let's check out the 1 year. The 1 year, it is still at 56%, all-time high, 56%, because I started this account a year ago. So I'm trying to bring this account to $100,000, guys. Who wants to join me on this journey? If you guys are interested, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do these updates daily, and I share a lot of plays. So yesterday, I gave a play out, and it was GNUS. GNUS yesterday made an announcement with Marvel, but investors were not happy about it. They were expecting more of the collaboration. And today, Andy Haywood issued an annual shareholders letter. And in it, he stated that they might enter into the NFT space. What that means, if they do enter that space, this stock can easily go to possibly $3 to $4. And we have seen a lot of NFT stocks, they skyrocket. But he said in that shareholders letter that this is a growing company. This is not a pump and up. This is not a light switch where the stock just shoots up. This is a gradual, slow growth. And they have a lot of cash on hand. So I sold 2 cash care puts. What this is saying is I want to buy GNUS when it goes to $2. So what I did, I sold 2 contracts, 2 cash secure puts. I have one here. They expire next week, and I was able to collect a small premium. So you can definitely make more if you sell more options. Since I only sold 1 contract, I received $18. So there's so many ways that you can trade GNUS. We go to trade, you can buy shares. Buy shares, how many ever shares you want to buy. And then we also have trade options. We have sell and buy options. So the one I did was sell a put. When you think of the word puts, most people think that I am shorting the company, but I am not. I am very bullish on GNUS. I have a lot of shares of GNUS. I want to say a lot. And I also have a lot of leap calls. So if you sell a cash put, it means you're bullish on the stock. So if we go to next week, we can possibly get $13 now. And if you go a little higher with the strike price, you'll receive $48. So I wouldn't suggest anyone going higher than 2.5 is because if the stock closes at 2.5 or below, you would then have to buy 100 shares at that strike price. So you don't want to do that. If you, let's say you sold a 4 strike price, okay, you get $194. But if the stock closes below $4, you would then have to buy 100 shares at $4. I'm just sharing what I would do, which would be selling the 2 strike price and the 2.5 strike price, because if we take a look at the break evens at 202 and 187, so it's almost the same thing. If you go to a 4 strike price, your break evens at 206, but it's unlikely that GNUS will hit $4 by next week unless, like I said, they enter an NFT space and they announce that before then. And then we also have the typical call option. This means you're bullish as well. You can buy a call option, but for me, I like to buy leap calls. That's because of data decay. Short-term call options is very hard to predict where the stock will go in the short term. So in that case, we'll lose the value of the option. We'll lose our premium. So let's say we pay $10 for this call option here. That's not too much, but usually people buy more than 1 contract. And that adds up quickly. You buy 10 contracts, that's $100. And if it doesn't go to 2.5 by next week, you're out of $100. Whereas with the other one, you get the premium up front. So there's option buyers and option sellers. What I would suggest is you go all the way to 2023 and you buy a leap call. So I typically buy a leap call that is deep in the money because of the delta. Okay, let's take an example. I have a leap call that's 0.5. I bought it a while ago, so it was a lot less. So I know it's $175, and if we take a look at the delta, it's 0.95. So every time that stock price goes up and down $1, this option contract will go up and down $95. So it closely replicates the actual stock. So instead of buying GNUS brands, which is at 2.13 right now, and spending $213, you can spend $175, almost be like buying 100 shares of GNUS. If that is too much for you, I would suggest looking for a 0.8 or higher. So this one is 0.86. So this would be ideal. Let's see, the 2 strike price, 0.8. And let's take a look at the 2.5. So I would stick to, in the money, 2 strike price. And that's pretty much it. So I would go, if you were to buy a call option, I would suggest to do a leap call with a 2 strike price, 1 contract, or how many contracts you want to buy. Let's just say 5. I mean, you're investing for the future. So this is what I would highly suggest. That's pretty much it for this call option. And then let's see what else I have. I have AMC cover calls. So if you guys have 100 shares, like I mentioned in the past, you want to be selling cover calls against those shares. Also, SOS, guys, I put this play out the other day as well. Let me see, we're printing money out even though SOS is down right now. And then we have BlackBerry. So these are also cover calls that I had to get some money out of. So those were the ones that I'm down. Let's take a look. See, this is why I don't like short-term call options or call options in general, because look, I'm down $140. I know it's not a lot, but this is cents. Cents is down 0.37%. Ooh, not good. And then we have Nokia leap calls. Thankfully, these expire in 2023. Also not good. I paid $169 average for 1 contract. So I'm down $3,700. So we have AMC, Nikola, Vaxar, BlackBerry shares are not doing well. Down almost 9%. Down $3,600. That's why I had to sell cover calls against them. Guys, if you have shares, at least 100 shares, sell cover calls. Sundial, same thing. Let's see. It is up 3.38%. Not good enough, but... And then we have Luquan Technology. Okay, it went all the way up to... What price was this? $139. Went to a high of $139. Funware I got last week. Planning to sell when it hits $2. So just 30 more cents. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you got something out of this with the GNUS options. If you guys are interested in buying that, I do believe GNUS will go to at least $10 by the end of this year. And also, I have a lot of buying power. So if you guys want to share some tickers, let me know in the comments down below and I'll take a look and possibly add it to my portfolio. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. And do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. Like I said, we already have 50 members and we would love for you to come join us, collaborate, learn new strategies, and grow our portfolios together. I'm trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.